All right, guys, welcome back. Before we can dig any further into this motor, we got to get the oil out of it. And these can be a real bear. I have been kind of working it here over the last day or so with PB Blaster. I don't think it's going to help a whole lot, actually, because there's a rubber O-ring in there that's going to prevent it from really seeping all the way in. So what you're going to need is a 19 millimeter, and I highly encourage you to get a 6-sided socket on this, okay? We're gonna put this on the breaker bar, and I've kind of tried to crank on it a little bit, and it ain't going anywhere. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna wail on it a little bit here, see if we can get her to break free. And I think it just broke free. It did, we got it, guys. Again, the PB Blaster is really extremely helpful. Also, if you don't have a 19, I did find that a 3/4 will work as well. I'm actually surprised that popped out of there as easy as it did. I was anticipating that to be much more of a Bearcat. I was actually thinking about adding heat and all kinds of things to it, but there you go. There is your oil drain plug. And got some debris inside the engine there. That's never a good thing to see. But let's take a peek in there. There we go. The drain plug came out. This is a super short video. I guess the tips on getting these out is be patient. Don't use a 12-sided socket on these. Get a 6-sided socket, okay? Otherwise, you're just gonna strip that bad boy out. Definitely don't wanna do that. So, boom. Easy success. We're going to need to drain the oil now, and then we'll be able to tear into this engine just a little bit more. This is one hell of a boring video, but whatever. If you enjoyed the video and you want to celebrate my success in getting this drain plug out, because watching the forums, these things can be a real Bearcat, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, keeps me motivated. Also, if you've had trouble with yours, comment about it. Tell me some of the strategies that you use to get these things out. I got lucky today on this one. Super stoked. Also, you can follow along on Instagram and Twitter. It's at BVMatson. So let's continue on and dive in to the Honda twin engine. I think it's time to go in.